The eyes of the elephant. The large gray elephant can hear better than I can hear, but he cannot see better than I can see. The big gray elephant has small eyes. He cannot see better with his little eyes than I can see. The elephant cannot see far away. Sometimes I can see every far away. The large gray elephant cannot see better than I can.
Better than
I can. But the elephant can hear better than I. We can hear he can hear sounds that are far away. That the elephant would not be able to see well. He knew that the elephant would need good ears that he could not see. They knew just what the elephant would need.
Okay, question. The large gray elephant can hear better than who? Better than you, better than I can hear.
I can.
I can hear. Why the elephant can hear when it is far away? 5, 4. Why the elephant can hear when it is far away? You know why that's easy? Because when you see an elephant, they have what?
Have ear.
Of course, have ears. Everyone have ears.
Yeah.
So what happened? Why even far away? Why even far away they can hear it? An elephant can hear far away. Example, like the bees. You think the bees cannot know you, that they are there together with you? They can. Why? Because they have eye that you cannot see. Okay, and smell. They smell the people. They smell the flower.
Yes.
Yeah. That's why they can know that there's a people or there's a danger. How about the elephant? Because of what?
Because of smelling. Hear.
Oh, what is that called? What is called?
Ears.
What kind of ear they have? What happened to why they have like that? God gave them like that. What kind of ear? Every one of us have an ear. Animals have an ear, because if you don't have an ear, even the insect, you cannot hear the people or the danger come. What is that?
Of sound.
Sounds. Okay. What kind of ear the elephant have? They only the one who have ear like that, right? What kind of ear? You look. Big. That's what it is, okay? That's why an elephant can hear, because they have a big ears. If you have the big ears, even you're far away, Ketra! Very far, they can hear. Oh, Teacher Monique, that. Do you understand? Yes, big ears. Very far, they can hear the sounds, even very, very far. Even very, 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 or the farthest one, they can hear it because of their big, long ears. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Okay. Yet know that the elephant wouldn't be able to what? They have big ears, right?
Yeah.
But hard for them to what?
To see.
Yes, hard for them to see. Why?
Because the small eyes.
Because they have a small eyes.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. God know that the elephant would need to hear what?
To hear.
Hear what? Surrounding in anything in their surrounding. What do you call about that one?
Sound.
Sounds. Okay. Another one. Hear what? Hear what? This one. Point, 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 point. What's that? Okay, last one. Find the answer there.
Here, this one.
Find the answer.
Tell question again.
The elephant can hear what? Gabe. I put already the circle one.
Things.
Yes! Oh, they're all things. Okay? You must need to hear the things around him. You understand? That's why I said thought, things. Okay? Okay, answer now. Good job. Next.